Good afternoon. I am Moataz Wagih, SAP Technical Manager at FORTE Cloud. The SAP Technical Department at FORTE Cloud handles different tasks and objectives. Mainly, we have the capabilities and the team that can implement, migrate, and also support SAP projects. Our main objective is to help the customer to clear the doubts and confusions on how to architect their SAP on AWS. Different approaches can be achieved. Mainly in sizing the SAP on AWS, we have different tools for this objective. In using fresh implementations, as you know, FORTE Cloud tried and participated in different implementations for SAP. Different fresh installations have been implemented. We always try to use automation of AWS, like AWS automation, AWS Launch Wizard, and also AWS Cloud Formation. That speeds up the process of the implementation of new, fresh systems of SAP. Migrations also projects something that we have experience on it. In migration projects, AWS has a powerful tool. It's called AWS MGN that can replicate replicate to AWS your machines through internet. Migration process also, we can use different SAP tools, classical tools like SAP Inst or HANA System Replication. This supported us to migrate easily our SAP workloads to AWS, but also with AWS MGN. As you all know, AWS has very powerful machines on the cloud. One of our customers, Kala, after the migration, they felt the difference in the performance. Also, the migration process was finished in less than 1 week. So they migrated very fast. Also for the performance, we have a customer that had a report that ran for more than 3 days to be executed. After the migration to AWS workload, this report is executed in only 2 hours. For the landscape optimization, after the customer goes from his on-premise or to implement his new SAP system, we try to tweak the systems and to do more optimization on the machines and his landscape. So he gets the benefits of to lower his cost, also to get the best of his landscape and systems he has on AWS. Also, SAP FORTE Cloud has several managed service plans for SAP. We as a FORTE Cloud, after you migrate or implement SAP on AWS, we handle the system. We take the responsibility of the system. From application level, we can do the difficult tasks that the customer faces, like client copy and system copy. Also, for the HANA database administration, we will be responsible for its configuration and tuning. We have a proactive monitoring to avoid any issues before it happens, and we take the necessary actions. Also, one of the tasks that we can do also is the patching and update of the application and the database. This is a very difficult task, because the customer always has to do it as a project or to hire someone to do it and spend more fees on these tasks. Also, we have the high availability administration. We are the ones who are responsible for the high availability from the administration side to check which node is active and why, if there is any issue in one node, we check for another one.